Hi children, continuation of Unit 1 Computer System Organization. In this session we are going to see about the input unit and the component of the input unit, that is the input devices. So what is an input unit? An input unit takes or accepts input and converts it into binary form so that it can be understood by the computer. So now what is an input? Input is nothing but the raw data or the unprocessed data and the instructions used to process. So now we told that it is converted to binary form. The term binary means two states, on or off, high or low, yes. So these two states can be represented using two bits or symbols, one for on and 0 for off. So now let's see few examples of input devices. Mouse, keyboard, touchscreen, camera, scanner, joystick, webcam, microphone, trackball, etc. etc. Now keyboard. The most commonly used input device is a keyboard. Yes, this keyboard is used to directly provide the input. It has function keys, control keys, arrow keys, and the keypad. The keyboard itself with the letters, numbers, and commands. Keyboards are connected to the computer through USB or Bluetooth. A laptop keyboard is more compact than a desktop keyboard. It's because the laptop is very small and we should have it compact, that's why. Smartphones and tablets use on-screen keyboard to input messages and select commands. Now mouse. An input device used to control the cursor and the coordinates is the mouse. It can be wired or wireless. It allows the user to do the following: move the mouse cursor, select, scroll, open or execute a program, drag and drop, hover, perform other functions with the use of additional buttons. A laptop uses a touchpad as the mouse. A smartphone and tablet use a touchscreen as primary input device and the user's fingers is used as the mouse. Microphone. An input device that allows users to input audio into the computers. Here are some uses of the microphones: audio for video, computer gaming, online chatting, recording musical instruments, recording voice for dictation, singing and podcast, voice recorder, voice recognition, VoIP, that is Voice over Internet Protocol. Digital camera. It's an input device that takes pictures digitally. Images are stored as data on memory cards. It has an LCD screen that allows users to preview and review images. Digital cameras have become popular over film cameras because of the following features. LCD screen allows users to view the photos and videos immediately. Storage can store thousands of pictures. Picture development allows users to choose and pick which pictures to develop. Size takes up less space and can be easily carried. Scanner. It's an input device that reads an image and converts it into digital file. A scanner is connected to the computer through USB. There are different types of scanners: flatbed scanner, sheet-fed scanner, handheld scanner, card scanner. Flatbed scanner uses a flat surface to scan documents. Sheet-fed scanner, like a laser printer where paper is fed into the scanner. Handheld scanner, the scanner is dragged over the page to be scanned. Card scanner for scanning business cards. Light pen is it's a computer input device in the form of a light-sensitive one used in conjunction with a computer's cathode ray tube display. It allows the user to point to displayed objects or draw on the screen in a similar way to a touch screen, because with a greater positional accuracy. Optical mark reader. OMR. It is the process of capturing human marked data from document forms such as surveys and tests. They are used to read questionnaires, multiple choice examination paper in the form of lines or shaded areas. Touch screen. So we are familiar with the touch screen. It allows users to interact with the computer using their fingers. It is widely used in laptop monitors, smartphones, tablets, cash registers, and information kiosks. Most common functions of touch screens are as follows: tap, double tap, touch and hold, drag, swipe, and pinch. A smart card, chip card, or integrated circuit card is a physical electronic authorization device used to control access to a resource. It is typically a plastic credit card size card with an embedded integrated circuit. Many smart cards include a pattern of metal contacts to electrically connect to the internal chip. Others are contactless and some are both. Smart cards can provide personal identification, authentication, data storage, and application processing. Applications include identification, financial, mobile phones, public transit, computer security, schools, and healthcare. Smart cards may provide strongly security authentication for single sign-on (SSO) within organizations. Numerous nations have deployed smart cards throughout their populations. Barcode Reader. Barcode scanner or point of scale (POS) scanner is an input device capable of reading barcodes. We have seen this in the billing section of a supermarket. Webcam. It's an input device connected to the computer and the internet that captures still picture or motion video. Biometric devices is an input device used to input biometric data into a computer. Here are the types of biometric devices: face scanner, hand scanner, finger scanner, and voice scanner. Stylus. Stylus is a pen-shaped input device used to write or draw on the screen of a graphic tablet or device. Initially, it was just used for graphic tablets and PDAs, that is, personal digital assistants, but now it has become popular on mobile devices as a replacement for the user's fingers. It's used for more accurate navigation and to keep oils from user's fingers off the device screen. QR code readers work like barcode readers, except that they usually use the camera of the device that they are installed on rather than a CCD chip. The camera is used to recognize the mathematical properties of the shape of the QR code. This is then translated to code which corresponds to a website. So with this, the session on input devices is completed. In the next session, Unit 1 is continued with the memory and the output devices. Thank you, children. Meet you again.